Hey, what's up guys? This is Deepak here and welcome to your source of tech, TechTonics. If you are a YouTuber, audio quality plays a big role in it. If you don't have a good audio, no one is gonna watch your videos. Being a new YouTuber and having a low budget condition, it's not possible to buy a good microphone or you can say a costly microphone. But it's okay, you can buy a cheap but good microphone just in 167 rupees from Amazon. So how? You wanted to know how? So watch the video till the end so you will know how to buy it. So this one I bought from Amazon.in. Let me tell you its specifications first. It comes in black color and it is made of PVC. It has color pattern on omnidirectional mic and the sensitivity is 30 decibel and the frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz and the output independence is 58 decibel and the wire has 1.5 meter of length to it, so you can obviously use it as a good audio microphone for your YouTube videos. I'll give a link in the description. From there you can buy it for yourself or you can buy it for someone else too. So this is it in this video guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to share it and don't forget to leave a like. And if you are not new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.